Class 6 Mathematics Chapter 13 Percentage. I am R.S. Prasad. Sir, today I will start your third part of this percentage chapter. Let us start the ninth question. A rubber is stretched to twice its length. Find out its percentage increase in the length. So, length is given as L. So, how can find them? Stretch in a twice its length and find out the percentage increase in the length. Let the original length be x. Let the original length be x. After increasing length is equal to x plus x, that means it becomes 2x. That is double x. So increasing length equal to 2x minus x, that is the x. So find the percent increased length. Percent increase in length. Increase in length, original in length into 100. So this will be cancelled out, it will be 100%. So that will be your answer. Let us see the next one is, that is the 10th question. 40% of total population of a city are men and 35% are women, while the rest are children. If the children numbers are 18,000, find the number of men and women. So let the total population be x. Now 40% of, and the rest of the, first of all the man population is equal to 40% of x. So what will be happen? X into 40 upon 100. So 0 will be cancelled out. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 5 ja. So it becomes 2x upon 5. Now come to the women. Women percentage. So let us see women population. That one is 35%. 35% of x. So what will be happen? It is x into 35 upon 100. So 5 7 ja and 5 2 ja. So it becomes 7x upon 20. So rest. So number of children is equal to x minus how many? 2 by 2x by 5 and plus 7x by 20. So let us see what will be happen. Taking their LCM. LCM is 20. 5 4 ja and 4 2 ja 8. So here is that is the 7x. So it becomes here is total LCM is 20. So 20 minus it is the 15 of x. 20x and 15x. So we get 5 of x upon 20. 5 1 ja 5, 5 4 ja. So it becomes x upon 4. But here is that is the children are given as 18,000. So you have to write here 18,000. So what will be x? So it is 18,000 into 4. That is the 72,000. So that one is number of children. So now we can find the number of Yes, number of men, that is the 2x upon 5. So here is 2 upon 5, put the value of x, that is the 72,000. Now let us see what will be happen. Now 5 1 ja 5 and here is 5 1 ja 5. So 2 5 4 ja 20 and 5 4 ja 20 and 2 0 also. So multiply by 2. So 0 0 2 4 ja 8 and 2 4 ja 8 and 2 1 ja 2. So that one is the answer of number of men. Now let us see the number of women. So here is 7x upon 20, 7 upon 20 into 72,000. So 0 will be cancelled out here and 2 3 ja 6 and 2 6 ja 12 and double 0. So now multiply to this, 7 0 ja 0 and here is 0 and 7 6 ja 42, carry 4 and here is 7 3 ja 21 and 4 25. So that is the number of women. So that one is your answer. Let us see in this question number 11 what will be happen in 11 question. The population of village is 3000. So population of village, you can write population of village is equal to 3000. It is given. It's increased 10% in first year. For first year, increase in population is equal to 10% of 3000. So what will be happen? 10 upon 100 into 3000. So 0 will be cancelled out and once again 0 will be cancelled out. So it becomes 300. Population after first year, it will be 3000 and plus 300. So it becomes 3300. Now after 1 year the population decreased 10%. For second year, decrease in population is equal to 10% of 3300. So you have to write 10 upon 100 into 300. So this one be cancelled out and this 0 will be cancelled out. So we get 330. So find the percentage of increase or decrease in the population. So now after second year, population after second year, population after second year, it will be 3300 and minus 330. So it becomes 0 and here is 7 and here is 2 and that is the 9 and 2. So yes, net decrease in population, that is the 3000 minus 2970. So what will be happen? It is 30. Now decrease in percentage. Decrease in percent is equal to 30 and out of this is 3000 or into 100. So 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be cancelled out and this 0 will be cancelled out. So what will be happen? And 3 1 ja 3 and 3 10 ja. So we get 1 by 10. So we can say 0.1%. It will be decreases. So that one is your answer. Let us see the 12th question. A person buy things rupees 630. The shopkeeper takes only 567 rupees from him. What is the percentage of discount? The that person enjoyed. So let us see the mark price. Mark price of the object is 630 rupees 630, and the selling price is given as 567 rupees. Now discount is equal to mark price. It will be, the amount is, you can do the minus, that is the 63. It will be 63. Now discount percent, find the percent of discount. So discount percent, that is the discount upon the mark price, that is 630, and into 100. So 0 will be cancelled out, and this 63 will be cancelled out, so we get 10%. So that is the discount percent, you can find very easy. Let us see the next question. The question is that 13, 75% of a number is 600, find the number. So let the number be x. So 75, so that is the 75% of x is given at 600. So it will be x into 75 upon 100 is equal to 600. So what will be happen? Here is 600 into 100 and divided by 75. So 25 3 ja and 25 4 ja, and here is 3 1 ja 3, and here is 3 2 ja 6. So 2 4 ja 8, that is 800. So that means the number is 800. So that one is your answer. Let us see the next one. That one is 14 question. A person deposit rupees 5,000 in the bank. After a few years, he got 6,000. What the percentage increase his deposit? So what will be happen? So it is the uh, principal is given as, that is the rupees 5,000, and the amount is given as rupees 6,000. So interest, you can find the interest is equal to principal minus, not amount minus principal. You can write here amount minus principal. So you have to write amount minus principal, that is the 6,000 minus 5,000. So we get 1,000. So now find the increase percentage. So increase percent, it is the increase, and how many the principal, that is the 5,000 and into 100. So 0 will be cancelled out, this 0 will be cancelled out, and this 0 will be cancelled out, and 5 2 are 10. So we get 20% of this one. So that one is your answer. Let us see this one. That is the 15 question. So what happened? Out of 40 students enrolled in class, 36 boys, and total is 40 students, have passed in the examination. Find out the percent of the successful and unsuccessful students. Yes, let us see what will be happen. So total number of students, you can to write here total students is equal to 40. That is the 36 boys passed. So you can say passed student. that is 36. Now find the pass percentage. Pass percent. How can pass? Pass is 36 and out of 40 and the multiply by 100. So 0 cancel with 0 and 4 9 ja 6. So 9 10 ja 90. So 90 students are passed. Now that is the successful. So unsuccessful percent, fail percent is equal to 100 minus 90. So it gives 10%. So that one is your answer, that is the unsuccessful. So you have to see a last question of this exercise, that is the 16. 90% of people in a village are literate. If the population of that village is 1600, find out the number of literate and illiterate peoples. So 90% of people village are literate. So if the total population. So you have to write first total population. It is given as 1600. Now 90% are literate. So literate you can write here. Literate equal to 90% of which one? 1600. So you can write 90 upon 100 into 1600. 0 cancel with 0 and 10 cancel with 0. So 9 6 ja 54, that is the 4, and 9 1 ja 9 and 5, that is the 14, and 0 is 1 here. So it is 1440, that is the literate. And find the literate, it is the literate pupil. So you can write here literate pupil. Now illiterate people, that is 1600 minus 1440. So subtract them. So we get 0 and here is 6 and here is 5. 5 minus 4, that is the 1. So that one is your answer. तो ये दोनों आंसर हैं. ये एक्सरसाइज